And as a mother in the land, I can tell you, once we start here, we are not stopping. This is not an epidemic, it's a pandemic. And it is across Africa and it is across the world. We must save the boy child. And the reason why we must save the boy child, I have continued to say this time and time again. Once you mitigate the issues of a boy child, you have mitigated the issues of a girl child. The boy child is a seed carrier. And if a society is going to exist, the boy child must be protected. If they are extinct, then we are not going to have families, we are not going to have communities, we are not going to have nations, and we are not even going to talk of even this climate change, because we'll be changing what when we do not